Back carry is for babies who are at least 6 months old and at least 17 pounds. First, use the color-coded size chart to find the right setting for your baby's height. Then match the Velcro tabs on both sides to the same color. Adjust the head and neck support panel to the position that gives your baby the best support. Make sure the seat is set to inward facing by moving both adjusters outward for a wider seat. Loosen the shoulder straps so the carrier is ready to put on, keeping the buckles fastened. Wrap the waist belt at your natural waist, a little higher if you have a smaller baby. Buckle it, making sure the buckle sits under the safety strap and the webbing feeds out over the top. Rotate the belt so the buckle sits at your back, then tighten the straps by pulling them out and away from your body until it feels snug and supportive. Then rotate the waistband again so the panel sits at your hip. Start with baby on the same hip as the panel. Bring the panel up around baby, then carefully slide them around your side and onto your back. Keep one hand on baby the entire time during this transition. Lean slightly forward to keep baby stable on your back. Pull one shoulder strap on, then the other, and buckle the chest strap across your chest. Tighten the shoulder straps evenly. Shift baby so they are centered on your back, and rotate their hips so their knees sit higher than their bottom, creating an M shape. The baby should be centered and their thighs should feel supported from knee to knee. Baby should be high and snug on your back. Make sure their face is visible from the side with a clear airway. They are sitting in a deep seat with knees higher than their bottom, and their head is supported if needed. Unclip the chest buckle, then keep one hand on baby and remove one shoulder strap. Bring baby around to your hip and back to the front, keeping one hand on them the entire time. Remove the second strap and hold baby securely. Let the panel fall, place baby somewhere safe, then remove the waistband.